River, originating in the Western Ghats of Kerala, flows through different parts of Kottayam district before emptying itself into the Vembanad Lake. This was one of the most flooded rivers of Kerala and the rate of flooding was high during August 2018. The only way to solve this problem was to re-establish the lost connection between the river, its tributaries and distributaries. Thus, a group of people have came forward to clean one of its blocked tributary. Later, under the head of the Kerala Mission, a new project was put forward by the government of Kerala, the Meenachil River Kodoor Punasamyojana Paddy, which is now successfully running under the initiative of People's Forum. Under this project, most part of the river was cleaned and the lost connection between the rivers were re-established. In order to maintain this connection, ancient inland navigation pathways were reintroduced. About 3,000 acres of uncultivated land was converted to paddy field. Malarikal, a village in Kottayam, attracts the attention of tourists with its acres of water lilies. The success of this project lies in the building up of a Pralaya-Rahita Kottayam or a floodless Kottayam. This is evident from the lower flooding rate of Meenachil River in 2020. Thus, a group of people had joined their hands together to rejuvenate a river, and the rejuvenated river has led to the rebirth of a land.